we're going to show you how to copy a legal size document on your HP DeskJet Plus 4100 printer series. So this is the legal size document that we want to copy. If you attempt to put it on the flatbed scanner itself, you'll notice that it is longer than the A4 size maximum scan size for the flatbed scanner. So the only way you can copy a legal size document is via the automatic document feeder, which we'll place the document in right now. Do note that we have already loaded legal size paper in the input tray. In order to copy legal size document, you need to do some settings change for your printer, and this can be done via the embedded web server page. We will use the HP Smart app. So let's start up HP Smart. Tap on the printer icon. Go to Advanced Settings. If you get a prompt, do continue to your printer settings. This is the embedded web server page for your printer. Go to Settings. Select Preferences. Select Tray and Paper Management. Now, under the paper format for large, you can see that the paper size is A4. You need to change that to legal size. Select Apply. The changes have been updated successfully. So now we can copy a legal size document on our printer. Let's press on the color copy button. So this is the copied document. And this is the original. And so this is how you copy a legal size document on your HP DeskJet Plus 4100 printer series.